Rippy's on, first fish of WA. On! Big dog, big dog! Yes! Oh, dude! What is going on here? This is just madness.
We've just finished relocating from Mildura, Victoria to Dampier to Pilbara, travelling 4,500 kilometres in just a few short days. And for those who aren't good with distances, that's like travelling from London in the UK to Yekaterinburg, which is a random town I just googled in the middle of Russia on the Asian continent that just happens to be 4,500 kilometres from London. That's right, we just travelled across Europe into the continent of Asia. Fast forward a few months and our time in Karratha and Dampier has been great. Making friends, getting out in the ocean, doing day trips and exploring the region. But to be honest, we've been doing that yucky thing called work a little bit too much. But hey, someone's got to make money for all the fishing lures that I'm going to lose. While being here, we haven't pulled the camera out all that much, but we do have some footage, a bit of diving, a bit of fishing, and some road trips. Now, I'm definitely not an experienced diver. In fact, the last time I went spearfishing was on the Mornington Peninsula in Victoria, when I was about 16 years old and all I could really catch was a lousy leather jacket. But here, it's very different. So it's time to look for a main course, followed by an entree. It wasn't long until I saw my first rainbow trout, but he was way too small. But then I saw this big guy, and with a near miss, I was pretty shattered. Soon after, this trout presents itself. Not too big, not too small. This trout is going to be a perfect main meal. And now with our main sorted, it was time to impress the missus and bring ourselves home an entree. Unfortunately, this big girl was about to be a mother, so she had to go back. But pretty quickly we found another prey. And just like that, our entree is sorted. "52 kilometres north of Karratha, you have a coastal town that not many people talk about, a little slice of paradise called Point Samson. Me and Rachel decided to try our luck out there with a few hours fishing. And just by chance, we were there at the right time. It was the time where the whales migrate from the south to the north, seeking the warmer climate and waters in the Kimberley region. Bit of a salty fishing mission with my bestest fishing buddy ever. Say hi, Muffy.
Hey.
Been a while since we've done some proper saltwater fishing. So we've done it a little bit in Ashburton River, but just got the one Queenie down there, so it's good to be back on the ocean. So got a big old wharf there, some reef and some beautiful blue water. What do you reckon, we go down that point?
Yeah.
Little bit of structure. We'll go for some pelagics, got some different lures, bit of bait, and a good time. Man, this is so good. Oh, bud. Hold on for dear life. A little puffer or something.
Yeah, or a cuttlefish maybe.
Oh, see him, babe?
Yeah, what is it? What was that?
I think they're mackies or something.
What? Yeah, before the shark comes.
He's going for the rocks.
What is it?
Oh, it's a tough. It just spat the hook. Oh, on again.
Not again?
Yep, on again. Oh man, they're playing funny buggers with me. No niblets, babe? Fish on the metal flag, looks like a mackerel. Think it's a mackie?
Ah, or a Queenie?
Nah, I think it's a mackie, babe, or a barracuda or something.
Or is it a tom-tom, a barracuda? Is it barracuda here? Oh, look at it!
What is it?
That's
Oh, it's a tarpon.
It's a Queenie or a tarpon. Barracuda. What is it?
What is that? Oh my god, I just lost it. I don't know. Does it feel good, babe? You! Smithy's on! First fish of WA! Or is it? I think he got a snag, babe.
Again? Or has he gone under? Ash, but they hit and then they got...
That's about all the action we got that day. But let us know in the comments if you know what those fish were. The next day I headed down to a local spot in Dampier, not too far from home. Fish on. Oh, let go. Couple of fish right in front of me. Oh, they're chasing it. They're chasing it. Maybe little GTs or Queenies. Yep. Oh, come on. Let's catch one. Beautiful spot here. A bit blowy, but man, it's magic. Yep. Oh, yep. Phew. Fish on. What do we got? Gonna try and land it. Queenie. Another Queenie. Don't spit it. Yes. Phew. Calm down, little fella. Right on the side of the gobber. Jesus, he's the wriggly little bugger. The day after the last fishing session, and I've just I've ducked out for a couple of hours. This is literally 15 minutes from home, so beautiful little Queenie. Let's chuck him back. Let's see what else we can get. The whole school of them right in front of me. Have a go at this thing. What is that? Breaking records. Yep. Calm down, little fella. Have a look at that. And a little bit bigger. Still good fun. You got to get a GT or something. Phew. Queenie number 3. Three Queenies down. I just chucked in a smaller little slug. So we're back again. This time we're at low tide, so the tide's just creeping in. And we brought a bit of bait with us, so Rachel's come along for the adventure. Got a big bag of bait, flick some lures. We've already found 2 blue swimmer crabs in the shallows, so.
And a black tip, little like reef shark. We just went out in like 2 meters and 2 meters of water. Not even. We went.
No, it was like.
We went out 2 meters.
Yeah, it was about 500 mil deep. It was my first swim, being in the salt after the Murray River, and as soon as I jump in, this little reefy, he's coming straight.
Us.
Yeah, he came straight for me, eh?
Yeah.
But it scared me.
I think we scared him, like, because I was on one side and then you were on the other, and it got scared. But anyway, and then it swam straight for Ash.
As soon as we jumped in the water, so bit of bait, bit of sunshine. Let's see if we can get a bit of grub. First bit of squid going out. First bit of squid going out.
Oh, squid.
Just heaps of bommies, heaps of rocks. Just first fish.
I'm fishing.
It looks like a golden trevally. Good work, babe. What is that? That's a little golden trevally. Fish on. That's a golden trevally, babe.
Yay. Oh.
There we go, guys.
Bait back.
Look at that little GT. How good's that? Well, that hasn't even been in for 5 minutes.
No.
See, little fella. Good work, Shuggy. You came up here last time, didn't you? There we go, just a little fun fishing mission in the local. We're in Dampier, so 15 minutes from home. But yeah, hopefully we'll spend a bit more time exploring these waters and finding where the real fish are. So, and not a bad little playground to go for a little flickeroony. She's blowing a gale, but yeah, she's still beautiful. Anyway, toodle pip.